Okay, this video I'm going to show you I don't know what I'm going to show you, but I'm just trying to guess what should be your issue if this steerer are touching the kettlebell, and if it's not straight. Please make sure these things are straight, all are straight or line up. Okay, and also I want you to check the roof, if the roof are anything like dent, especially here, over here. Okay, if there's no dent, maybe you can adjust one side of the bracket, then until you see the kettle are not the steer are not touching, or either you can adjust this one left to right. It will not be hurt because the ceiling are soft. Maybe get dented on by on transit. Okay, please give it a try and let us know. Thank you.